We flew to Uganda to trek with the mountain gorillas in Bwindi. We did not expect to find the story that we actually came home with. Right at the edge of the Bwindi Forest, we found a group called Ride for a Woman, a group of women every day building businesses out of sewing machines, basket weaving, and a kind of stubborn hope that I've never seen anywhere else. Some are survivors of domestic violence, some are widows, some never even went to school. But the moment you walk through their doors, none of that is the headline. The headline is what they're building for themselves, for their daughters, for each other. This is Evelyn. She's the founder of Ride for a Woman, and she's going to tell you a little bit about how it started.
My name is Evelyn, and I'm the founder of Ride for a Woman. The driving force is to see these women empowered in a way that they can actually, whether we are here or not there, they can still sustain themselves and they can still earn through the skill they have learned.
What makes Ride for a Woman unique is that Evelyn is actually mentoring these women to become entrepreneurs and businesswomen.
Can you imagine she's doing her homework here?
Yeah.
So cute. Look at that.
To learn skills that they can use to sustain their family. Evelyn was kind enough to show us around her village, and we got to meet so many of the people, hear their stories, and see the life that they're living every single day. The organization leads many different projects to empower women and improve people's lives in the local community. Microfinancing their entrepreneurial ideas, sponsoring the education of many children, providing safe water for all the community, installing solar panels in homes without electricity, among others. For these women, Ride for a Woman is a space of safety and support. It's a place where they come to learn how to be entrepreneurs. If you've ever wondered where your money or your time actually goes when you give, this is the kind of place. Real women, real work, and real change you can see. I put the Ride for a Woman link in my bio, so go meet them, browse the website, and donate if you can.